Have you ever wondered what it takes to claim a treasure guarded by fate itself? In the heart of ancient mythology lies the enchanted garden of the Hesperides, a realm shrouded in mystery. These golden apples, gifted to Zeus, promise immortality but are fiercely protected by three beautiful nymphs and a fearsome dragon named Ladon. Many heroes dared to seize this prize, but their journeys were fraught with deception and trials. One such hero, Heracles, was tasked with retrieving these apples as one of his 12 labors. Little did he know, the journey would test not just his strength but his cunning. Along the way, he encountered the wise Titan Atlas, who had long been burdened by the weight of the heavens. In a moment of cleverness, Heracles asked Atlas to fetch the apples while he held the sky. But Atlas, tempted by the idea of freedom, nearly tricked Heracles into taking on the burden forever. In a nail-biting twist, our hero outsmarted the Titan, claiming the golden apples. Yet, the nymphs and the dragon never forgot this encounter, reminding us that treasures often come with untold consequences and challenges. Who truly wins in the realm of gods and mortals?